In this video, we are going to show you how to run your Emergent AI project locally. Now, running an Emergent AI project locally involves exporting code from the Emergent platform, which is this one, right, via GitHub or direct download. So what does that mean? That means if you click on your profile icon on the upper right corner, and if you connect your GitHub account to your Emergent AI account, right, you can do it that way, or you can manually download the entire code, which you need to ask Emergent, right? You can give me, can you give me the code so I copy paste it somewhere else? You can do this if you're using the free tier. Now, if you are using a subscription, whether it is pro or standard, there is an option for you to download that project, right? And for you to do this, after downloading, you need either Cursor or Visual Studio Code or VS Code as a local development environment. So those are the two ways, right? If you're subscribed, you can just download the whole thing, download the code, and then move to Cursor or VS Code. Or if you're using the free tier, do as what you are seeing in the screen, right? Do this prompt, so you could just copy every bit of code of this project that you're doing, and then manually put it to whatever you're using, either Cursor, Agent, or VS Code. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.